G'day, Justin from Duratuf here again. We're going to talk real briefly about our raised floor modification, when to use it, how to go about it. Real simple. So when you're building our shed normally, the instructions are going to tell you to have the steel about 10mm above the base plate. So if you're putting your shed on soil or something porous, the rain's going to hit the shed, it's going to go onto that porous and it's just going to disappear, get absorbed into the ground. If, however, you've got maybe a concrete plate you're putting it on, if you just set it up like this, the rain's going to hit, it's going to pool here, and there's a chance it's going to seep over time underneath your shed, causing moisture. Not ideal, we want to avoid it. It's a real simple fix. What we do, and this is in the instructions of most models, is we lift the base plate up by 30mm, so you've got an overhang of steel of 30mm. That way the rain's going to hit there, it's going to drain away from your shed, no dramas. Now with our big sheds like our lifestyle, our cedar, our rustics, this is actually already built in. Same with our semi-timber, it's got instructions how you can change that to make that modification. If you need a Kiwi shed, you need to let us know, because we need to do that for you while we're making your shed. So remember, Kiwis, let us know, we'll get it fixed, otherwise either it comes ready or you can do it yourself. So any questions, get in touch, and otherwise have fun, we'll see you later on.